Friends, we had the culmination of the under 15 and under 17 sub-junior national badminton championship at Tehran, and this was over a period of 7 days. 10 तारखेक सुरू झाला आणि today 17th we had the finals of under 15 and under 17 singles, doubles and mixed doubles. We had more than 2,200 participants who had registrations in more than 3,200 categories, and the event went on very successfully, and we have new champions who will be pride of the Indian badminton over the years. The scene as far as Goa badminton is concerned, I being the president, we are trying to promote badminton at the grassroots level, and Goa has the best of infrastructure in terms of badminton. Our Honorable CM has been supporting sports, and he wants to make Goa as a sports destination, and as Badminton Association we would like to support this endeavour of Honorable Chief Minister to make Goa as the sports hub. We are trying to grow badminton to the grassroots, and the main endeavour of the Goa Badminton Association in the next 4 years would be to find talent at the grassroots. So our aim is to go to all the villages, to the panchayat, and see the youngsters who would be the future of Goa.